How to leave a review on Temu. Let's get started. Launch your Temu app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You'll land to the home page. Now navigate to the U page. Once you're in the U page, here you're going to see the option of your orders. Click on it. Now here you're going to see all the list of your recent purchases. Find the product you want to review and click on it. Look for an option that says leave a review or write a review. Rate the product using the star rating system. Usually, 5 stars indicate excellent satisfaction while 1 star indicates poor satisfaction. Write a detailed review of the product. Include information about the quality, usability, and your overall experience. Be honest and provide as much detail as possible to help future customers. If applicable, upload photos or videos of the product. Visuals can provide additional context and help others understand your experience better. Review your feedback for accuracy and completeness. Once satisfied, submit your review. It might take some time for a review to be published, as it may go through a moderation process. This guide covers all essential steps to leave a review on Temu securely and efficiently. Whether you are a first-time user or experienced with online reviews, our guide simplifies this process. Share your experience on Temu by following these straightforward steps. Leave your first review today and help others make informed purchasing decisions. Well, that's a wrap for this video. If this video was helpful, smash that like button, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.